The 9th. As per usual, this is a series where we like to show you things you can expect to see from us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. This week we opened quite a few boxes, so I hope you stick around to check those out. Well, without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that concludes this video. Everything you saw in this video that I can find will be linked in the description below, so go click on all of those links and check us out. If you're new here, or you haven't seen these videos before, or you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell next to it so you get notified when we upload our new videos. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. I want to hope you all stay safe out there during these times, and without that, besides that, we will see you next week.